Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make video call on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your contacts application on your Android phone. Then you have to select the contact you want to call, and for example, I'm going to go with this contact, so just tap on the contact. Then we're going to tap on this video call icon, this one. Then we can simply click on video call and the video call will be started on our Android phone. Okay, then click on the SIM card. Okay, and now the video call is being started. And I'm just gonna end this video call. Then let's go back to the preview section. Alright guys, and that's how we can make video call on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.